drop in and let it come right to you. And go ahead, go nice and slow. Now we're going to get into accessory nerve treatment. And the accessory nerve is the most common entrapment in the entire human body. And the problem is most practitioners are very compressive when they treat it, and they don't accommodate for the angle of the spine and the superficiality of the nerve. So we're here, and just like that, elbow high, other one there. It's going to be the same thing. You're going to get that depth by leaning in. And this one, little less depth come out, and then your tension is going to be that slow drop. You're going to go. You're going to feel that nerve pull. When that nerve is bad, it'll pull right away.